John 15:19 says, "If you were of the world will love you as its own. But because you are not of the world, but I choose you out of the world, therefore the world hates you." Hey guys, I don't know if you can see me. The sun is really bright. But it looks like I got a good little, lighting going on here. But welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to take you guys along with me. I will be running errands and stuff, and just like a little day in the life. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and make sure you subscribe and leave a comment down below. Now I am at Walmart picking up a few necessities for the house. I had to grab some toothpaste, and my son needed a cup for his football practice so that he can have some cold water to sip on. Picked up some paper towels because we definitely need that with kids in the house and the dog. I picked up some Drano. Well, I actually ended up getting the cheaper off-brand Drano. I actually got more for the same price as the real Drano. So yeah, we're having a little bit of plumbing issues with our sink getting clogged up, so I'm going to try this. And then they had these beautiful hats. I live in Louisiana, and you might want to check out your local Walmart. They may have your state, but I thought these hats were so cute. And here is the Christmas decor that I'm looking at. They had so many cute Christmas things this year at Walmart. Like, Walmart is getting better and better at, holiday decorations, especially Christmas. Like, look at that. That is just too cute. These Christmas trees, so cute. Like, everything that I saw was just like gorgeous. Like, I'm shocked that Walmart, had all of this. Now, you might want to go and shop for it now, because the closer it gets to Christmas, the less stuff that they will have. Look at that. So cute. You can put that on your Christmas tree as Christmas tree fillers, these little branches. They even had some outside patio pillows that I will be picking up. And yeah, that's just so cute. I wanted to come down this aisle and just check it out and see what they had. Look at that. So cute. These stockings, so cute. You can put these stockings on your fireplace or decorate whatever else you want with it. They're so cute. They had so many things, so many options, so many decorations, ribbons. I mean, like, Walmart outdid themselves this year with the Christmas decor. I don't remember seeing all this last year, or maybe I just looked at it too late and they had ran out. But look at that, those wreaths, so cute. I'm coming back and get me a wreath. Right now, I just want to kind of like shop and kind of get an idea of like how I want to decorate for Christmas. I'm still trying to figure that out, but I will be doing a Christmas shop with me video really soon. So yeah, look at that, so cute, you guys. Come to Walmart and check out their Christmas decor. So now it's the next day, Saturday morning, and I'm making my baby some breakfast. First, I'm going to start off with adding some bacon. I like to sometimes split the bacon in half because it make it feel like you have more bacon. So I'm splitting that bacon in half, putting that on a baking pan. I didn't have any foil paper. I forgot to grab that. So I usually put it on foil paper because it does not stick as much to the pan, but I just had to do what I had to do this morning. So I'm cooking my bacon. So next, I'm trying out something that I saw on TikTok, using coffee creamer for some French toast, and I got a just egg and regular eggs. It's my daughter; she's allergic to eggs, so I'm gonna make her French toast in a separate bowl with the just egg mixture. It's my first time using the just egg mixture. So I'm making two different bowls of French toast, and like I said, I'm going to be using some French vanilla coffee creamer. I'm going to try that method instead of regular milk because, like I said, I saw it on TikTok and I wanted to give it a try and see how these French toasts came out. And I will say that it made the French toast a little bit too sweet for me. I'm adding my vanilla, and you probably can skip the vanilla part if you're going to use the French vanilla creamer. I probably should have gotten the cinnamon roll creamer, but I didn't see it at the time, and I didn't feel like going from store to store to find it. So I just picked up the French vanilla. So if you're going to use the French vanilla creamer, do not add vanilla extract in it because it's going to make it too vanilla-y, if that's even a word. So yeah, so I'm making two separate bowls. I'm using the just egg mixture because my daughter is allergic to eggs. So I will not be using eggs in hers. And I'll be honest with you, the just egg mixture, it did the job, but it kind of stuck to the bottom of the pan, the French toast. It didn't really cook very good with it. But I mean, it's better than nothing. And she likes French toast, so I didn't want her to, not have any. So I used what I thought would work best. So if you guys have any tips on vegan, I guess you would call it, French toast, how to make that, let me know in the comments down below. So I'm done with the French toast, and I'm cutting them up with a pizza slicer because my kids, they want me to cut it up. They so spoiled. They want me to do it myself. They don't want to do it themselves. So I'm cutting that up, and I'm going to add a little bit of powdered sugar and some syrup. And Madison wanted some bacon on the side, so I will be adding bacon to her plate, and that is the kids' breakfast. They're not big fans of, like I said, Madison can't eat eggs, but Lennon and them, he's not really like a big fan of eggs and grits and all that. So they like the sweet dishes, of course. You know how children are. So yeah, I'm done with the French toast, and now I'm going to make me and my husband eggs, and we already made the bacon, so I'm going to make the eggs. And I saw another trick on TikTok with that also. Here I am using some instant grits because I don't have time to make the grits on the stove. I'm trying to make this as quick as possible. And yeah, so I put some boiling hot water, and boom, those grits are done. Or you could just add water and put the grits in the microwave. Sometimes I do it that way. Sometimes I use my teapot and I boil water in it, and I just pour it in there, and boom, grits are done. So now I'm going to make our eggs. Now this is another trick that I saw on TikTok, and what the girl did was she added some heavy cream to her eggs, and it makes the eggs come out fluffy and moist. And when I tell y'all, it tastes so good, almost like IHOP or like a restaurant type eggs. Like adding just a little bit of heavy whipping cream, and I mean, it makes those eggs so fluffy, so moist. So if you like fluffy, moist restaurant style eggs, try the heavy whipping cream. So I made my husband a waffle, and he does not like French toast. He'll eat it, but he does not prefer it. So I made him a waffle on the side, and here I am plating up our food, and Yeah, y'all, I mean, these eggs came out so good. The French toast, like I said, it was okay. Like I said, I feel like the creamer was a little bit too sweet, but if you like sweet, you know, go for it. But that is our breakfast. Maddie at cheerleader practice. It's right there in the white. Put her hands up. I don't know if y'all can see, but Sahm here for Madison cheerleader practice, and to get on here, and I want you guys who's watching, if there's anything that you want to know about me, I want to do a get to know me video. So if you guys could put in the comments down below any kind of questions that you want to know about me, that you want to ask me, and do like a Q&A type video. I don't know if I'm going to go live or I'm going to just post as a video, but yeah, so if you want to know something about me, put it in the comments down below. Look, that's my son. I'm at cheerleader practice, but yeah, so put in the comments down below. I'm going to end this day in the life, well, weekend in the life, whatever you want to call it. I want to end it, so yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.